Today I'll be showing you guys how I made a kindlynxsh chief beat.
Mommy tryna touch the whole game. Must be easy. What's your friend's name? Way too easy.
But before we begin, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. So I went and got this melody from the owner, kindlynxsh. Now as you can see from the picture right there, it's down, so that means I pitched it down so that you don't get copyrighted. Now it sounds like this. So first I went and edit. Then I add some 808s. Then I add some bouncy hi-hats. Then I add some more hi-hats and increase and decrease the volume so they can sound a little bit bouncy. Then I went and added clap. Now as you can see from right here, I got some audios and some tags, and sound like this. But let me add them all so that you can hear them all. Matter of fact, let me play the whole beat. Let me start the whole beat over. Oh shit. Let me start the whole beat over so you can listen to it and tell me what you think. Don't forget to like and comment down below. And peace out.